Hello my dear students, myself Vishal Virani and today we are going to discuss about the class 12 statistic part 2 and lesson number 1. Lesson number 1 is that probability, okay, probability, and in this lecture we are going to discuss about the topic is that law of multiplication of probability, okay, law of multiplication of probability. In previous lecture we already discussed about the law of the addition of the probability, okay, law of the addition of the probability. What is the law of the addition of the probability? In the law of the addition of the probability is that at least one event will be happen. In the law of the addition of the probability is that at least one event will be happen. Yes, event, at least one event means event A will be happen, only event A will be happen, or only event B will be happen, or event A and B also will be happen, means at least one event will be happen. In which? In the law of the addition of the probability, okay, and the law of the addition of the probability is denoted by the A union B. Yes, it is denoted by the union of event A and B. Yes, so in the law of the addition of the probability there is the A union B. Yes, but in the law of the multiplication of the probability is that in the law of the multiplication of the probability the event A and B both simultaneously occur. Yes, there is event A and B both simultaneously occur. Simultaneously, yes, means एक साथ होनी चाहिए. Yes, एक साथ होनी चाहिए तो उसके लिए क्या आएगा? इंटरसेक्शन आएगा. Yes, in the law of the addition, in the law of the addition of the probability there is a event A or B. A or B, it means at least one event will be happen. At least one event will be happen means A or B in law of addition of probability. So in law of the addition of the probability there is A union B, because the event A or B means the at least one event. Yes, but in this law of the multiplication of the probability there is event A and B will be happen. A and B means the simultaneously occur. Yes, simultaneously means एक साथ होनी चाहिए. एक साथ simultaneously A and B, and there is and has a intersection. Yes, so there is the intersection of event A and B. Yes, in short, law of addition of law of addition of probability has A union B. Law of addition of probability has A union B, and law of multiplication of probability is intersection of event A and B, means A intersection B. Clear? Okay. So law of multiplication of probability, if A and B are the two events in the sample space U, yes, then the definition of the law of multiplication of probability is that a rule of obtaining probability, yes, of a simultaneously occurrence. साइमल्टेनियसली एक साथ होनी चाहिए. क्या होनी चाहिए? इवेंट ए एंड बी. यस, द रूल ऑफ ऑब्टेनिंग द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ साइमल्टेनियसली अकरेंस ऑफ इवेंट ए एंड बी, इट इज कॉल्ड एज द लॉ ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी. ओके, साइमल्टेनियसली एक साथ होती है तो उसको हम कैसे डिनोट करते हैं? ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. यस, so for the law of multiplication of probability there is a intersection, and for the law of addition of probability there is a union A union B. Okay, for example, event A is the getting head when a coin is tossed for a first time. Yes, and event B getting head when a coin is tossed for the second time. इवेंट ए क्या है कि हम कॉइन को पहली बार टॉस करते हैं तो उस पे हेड आता है. इवेंट बी क्या है? कॉइन को दूसरी बार टॉस करते हैं तब भी उस पे हेड आता है, वो इवेंट बी है. ओके, एंड इवेंट इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ इवेंट ए एंड बी, वो क्या है कि दोनों में हेड आना चाहिए. गेटिंग हेड इन बोथ टाइम. यस, के पहली बार भी टॉस करे तब भी हेड आना चाहिए, दूसरी बार भी टॉस करे तब भी हेड आना चाहिए. यस, ये दोनों इवेंट है वो कैसे? साइमल्टेनियसली होनी चाहिए, एक साथ होनी चाहिए. तो उसको हम कैसे डिनोट करते हैं? ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. Yes. So the law of the multiplication of the probability is given as follow. Yes, A intersection B means the law of multiplication. A union B means law of addition. What I say, A intersection B means law of multiplication and A union B means law of addition. Okay, so we have to find the probability of A intersection B. Why? Because we had discussed about the multiplication and for the multiplication there is an intersection. Yes, so we have to find the probability of A intersection B. And it is equal to, formula is that P of A multiplied by P of B slash A. Okay, and where P of A is not equal to 0. And second we can write as also P of intersection of event A and B in the form of B. Yes, there is P of S, and instead of P of A, here P of B multiplied by P of A slash B, and where P of B is not equal to 0. Yes, so this is the rule for the law of the multiplication of the probability. Okay, sorry, this is the law of the multiplication of the probability. Okay, and we are come on to the important result derived from this law of multiplication of the probability. First result is that if A and B are independent event, yes, if A and B are independent event, yes, hence P of A slash intersection of event A and B is equal to P of A cross P of B. Yes, we derive this four result from the law of the multiplication of probability from these two equation. Okay, from these two equation. Okay, first case is that event A and B are independent event. Okay, so what is the condition for the independent event? We are discussed in the previous lecture. Yes, condition for the independent event is that P of A is equal to P of A is equal to P of A by B. Yes, and P of B is equal to P of B by A. Yes, we can write it. Okay, so here we assume that if the event A and B are independent, yes, so we can write the P of A slash B is equal to P of A. Here P of A slash B, and put the value as P of A. Yes, so we can write that probability of intersection of event A and B is equal to P of B multiplied by P of A. Yes, we have to put the P of A slash B is equal to P of A. Yes, so our equation is that P of intersection of event A and B is equal to P of B multiplied by P of A. Yes, and we can also put the value of P of B by A is equal to P of B. Yes, here also P of A intersection B is equal to P of A multiplied by P of B by A. Now we have to put the P of B instead of the P of B by A. Okay, and put it, so multiply by P of B. So our answer is that P of A intersection B is equal to P of A and multiply by P of B. Yes, so we can get this result. Yes, when the event A and B are the independent event. Clear? Okay, now second question is that second result is that if event A and B are independent. Yes, here also we assume that event A and B are independent. Here also we assume that event A and B are all independent. Yes, if event A and B are independent, then we can say that event A dash and B dash are also independent. Yes, if the event A and B are dependent, then the complement of event A and the complement of event B, it is also independent. We can say that. Yes, so the event A dash and B dash are also independent. When the event A and B are dependent, then the event A dash and B dash are also independent. Yes, so we can write the formula P of A dash intersection B dash is equal to P of A dash multiplied by P of B dash. Same as like, yes, when the event A and B are independent, then the intersection of event A and B is equal to P of A multiplied by P of B. Yes, Same as if the event A and B are independent, then the event A dash and B dash are also independent. Yes, so we can write the probability of the intersection of event A dash and B dash. Yes, so the P of A dash intersection B dash is equal to P of A dash multiplied by P of B dash. Same as, yes, here A dash instead of A and here B dash instead of B. Yes, okay. Now come on to the third result is that the event A and B dash are also independent. When event A and B are independent, then event A and event B dash means the complementary of event B and the event A are also independent. Yes, so we can write the formula P of A intersection B dash is equal to P of A multiplied by P of B dash. It is too simple. Okay. Then fourth result is that the event A dash and B, yes, event A dash and B are independent. When the event A and B are independent, then event A dash means the complementary of event A and event B are also independent. Yes, so we can write the formula for this. Yes, hence P of A dash intersection B is equal to P of A dash multiplied by P of B. Yes, so this is the result obtaining from the law of multiplication of the probability. Okay, in short, well, for the law of the addition, from the law of the addition of the probability, there is a union. For the addition, there is a union, means the A union B. And for the law of the multiplication of the probability, means for the multiplication, for the law of the multiplication, there is an intersection means the A intersection B. Yes, for the addition there is a union and for the multiplication there is an intersection. Clear? Okay, write down it. Okay, done it. So keep practicing and we will meet you in next lecture.